Welcome to the Alphecca YouTube channel. Today, I'll guide you through removing liquidity from Raydium pools. So what exactly is removing liquidity? Simply put, it's withdrawing all your assets from a liquidity pool you've provided. In our previous videos, we covered token creation and setting up liquidity pools on Raydium. Once your pool goes live, your token can be traded freely across the Solana ecosystem. Unlike platforms like PumpFun or Moonshot, Raydium gives you full control over your liquidity, and that's powerful. Remember LP tokens? These liquidity provider tokens are like receipts proving your pool ownership. Think of them as bank deposit slips. With these LP tokens, you can reclaim your assets anytime. There are many reasons to remove liquidity. Your project might be concluding, you might need funds, or perhaps you found a better opportunity. The key point is that removing liquidity makes trading that token pair extremely difficult or impossible. This is often the natural life cycle of many meme coins in the Solana ecosystem. Alphecca simplifies the process. No need to memorize complex pool IDs or contract addresses. Just connect your wallet, and we automatically discover all your LP tokens, show real-time pool status, and calculate your expected returns instantly. No more searching through Solscan or copying addresses. Everything's right here. Before we begin, please turn on YouTube subtitles. We support 14 languages, including English, French, Russian, Turkish, Korean, and Japanese. The Alphecca website you're viewing also supports these languages. You can switch to your preferred language from the settings menu in the top right corner. All right, let's dive into the actual process. Look at the main menu and click the Manage Liquidity tab. You'll see several options. Select Remove Liquidity Pool. Connect your wallet using the button in the top right corner. Make sure you're using the same wallet that holds your LP tokens. Click the Select LP Token drop-down menu. Alphecca automatically scans your wallet and displays all your Raydium LP tokens. You can see each token pair, pool address, and your current LP token balance. Select the LP token you want to remove. Decide how much liquidity to remove. Use the quick percentage buttons, 25%, 50%, 75%, or hit 100% to remove everything. You can also type a custom amount. For this demo, I'll click 100% to remove. Review your expected returns. The interface clearly shows what you'll receive. In my case, 7.1 Sol and 112 million test tokens. Click the Remove LP button. A transaction preview window appears. Review the transaction details carefully. You'll see three important items: incoming Sol, LP tokens being burned, and incoming tokens. Network fees are minimal, usually around 0.0008 Sol, less than a cent. Click Confirm and approve the transaction in your wallet. Your wallet will show the transaction details once more for security. Success. You'll see a green notification in the top right corner confirming your liquidity removal. The entire process takes just seconds on Solana's high-speed network. Let's verify everything worked. Check the transaction log at the bottom of the screen showing your signature ID. Click the Solscan icon to view full on-chain details. This transparency, verifiable, immutable, public transactions, is what makes DeFi special. Pro tip: always double-check token amounts before confirming. Market volatility can affect your returns, especially in volatile pairs. Also, remember that removing all liquidity can make your token pair illiquid, affecting tradability. Plan your exit strategy accordingly. Congratulations! You've now completed the full DeFi lifecycle on Solana, from token creation to liquidity provision, and finally, liquidity removal. This knowledge puts you ahead of 99% of crypto users. In our next video, we'll explore advanced market management tools like market-making bots and liquidity management strategies. Make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell. If this helped, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Drop your questions in the comments, and our community will be happy to help. Thank you for choosing Alphecca for your DeFi journey. Until next time, happy creating.